Hey guys, my name is Arjit and welcome to a review for currency futures for the next week and onward. And today we are going to talk about three major currencies futures, that is USDINR, GBPINR and EURINR. So I'll start with the USDINR. So USDINR has been falling from after making the top and coming down. If I switch to a lower time frame, if we see this, the price has been for the last 2 weeks, price has been sideways between two zone, and this is 73.23 and 73.88. So in this zone, price has been sideways despite with some volatility which was extended beyond the zone. Um, with the even for the momentum indicator is also showing that price is in a range and it's probably like to continue that word. So the outlook for USDINR will be sideways between this zone unless this any of the support or the resistance side is broken. So if support is broken, the next support is around 72.62 and then 72.13. And for the resistance, if it's broken above the resistance 74.54 and 74.71, this could be a big supply zone if price able to come back to this. But immediate outlook will remain in the sideways, which is inside this zone. A little bit interesting pattern in Euro INR. You can see there's a M pattern where the neckline was around 87.67 and price tried to take support in this zone and then it broken down below, and price is successfully below this neckline right now, which means price likely to continue downward from here, and it is looking bearish for Euro INR. Apart from that, this is an hourly time frame chart, and if you see this, there's a expanding wedge pattern is happening, so it's a broadening wedge is happening. So this pattern is bearish unless this upper trend line is broken down successfully. Even the upper trend line is broken down, 87.84 is likely to give resistance from all this buying happened here. Okay, so all this buying happened here and here. Those exits will give resistance around this zone, and price is likely to continue bearish to sideways movement. So if you see, this latest candle is showing the red candle and it's successfully tested the upper trend line, and price will likely to continue downward. Okay, so the breakout above this zone of expanding wedge or broadening wedge will be possible only if this is a successful breakout and then retest inside this zone and then follow through. So it will look something like this. It need to go break down and then it need to retest and then it's need to start moving again. So this will cause a fall towards this zone. So the support, there is a major support around 86. So that's because one of the high made around this zone. If you see this, there is a small support around 86.5, then 86, and then 85.4. But if you see the depth of the fall from here, it's likely to, if it breaks this lower trend line for this expanding wedge, it is likely to fall for going for a bigger toss. But I'm not expecting to cross below this level 85.4 and are likely to take support around here. So for immediate outlook, there could be a selling opportunity in this, and which could come near this levels 86.7. So that's the Euro INR. Then for the GBP INR, if you see this, there's a multiple top resistance around here, and then price has broken down and fallen quite big. Okay, after that it is forming a island kind of pattern, which is isolated set of candles without any top or bottom connections, which means inside this candle range this price will likely to remain sideways. But if this price able to give a breakout above, it's likely to do a reversal pattern and then it likely to find resistance around here, and then if price able to sustain above this level, this will be second confirmation for reversal, and that could mean it could come towards much higher level. Okay, but if this two level provide enough resistance, price will likely to not able to go above and can test towards 93 level again. So for right now, immediate trend is expecting to be sideways between these two zones unless there is a big gap down again or gap up above this level. So that will be all for this week's currency review. Let's meet again next week.